First of all, we need to actually create the text, and then enter the word or nickname you need, and then choose a font. We extrude the text and convert it to mesh, after which we apply the remesh modifier in sharp mode. Smooth out the sharp edges in sculpting mode and apply shade smooth. Create a volume and apply the mesh to volume modifier to it. Select our text with a pipette, then add the geometry nodes modifier. Go to the geometry nodes tab and add the volume to mesh node, and then the set material node and select the material of our text in it. In the settings of the mesh volume modifier, we apply the density value to 2. For exterior bend to 0, voxel amount to 200. After that, add the volume display modifier and put it between the two previous ones. We set 0 for Y and Z, and apply 0 to for X. After that, in the same modifier, go to the texture settings and select the distorted noise type. We adjust the values at your discretion. We also customize the text material at our discretion. To animate the whole thing, we apply the strength value of the volume displacement modifier to 0. 8 and set the keyframe. Then move the slider by 20 cat and change the same value to 0. 5 and also set the keyframe. For looped animation, the first keyframe can be moved by 40 frames. We arrange the lighting and move on to the render. Thanks for watching. Write comments that you would add from yourself, or any advice. I will be grateful.